Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're on our way back home from Central Florida. I wanted to stop by and this place here that we found earlier this week. It's called Lanier's Produce, just north of Orlando, right off of the Florida Turnpike on US 27. Really easy to get to. We found this a few days ago, but we're coming back. We came back to pick up a few more things on the way out. So I want to show you what we got here. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool fruit stand.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day.
You too.
And enjoy your fruits.
How are you doing?
All right.
Strawberry?
Oh yeah, thank you.
No problem. Oh, if you can thank you.
Yeah. So they offer the free samples.
Oh, we've gotten some. We've been here at the beginning of our.
Yeah, we were here a few days back, and it's like we like this place now.
Do you want to try any pineapple, dino dew, mango? What are these? Those are
Free
star
samples.
fruit.
How are they?
I've only tried it like once.
More honey bells.
Before it was ripe, so I'm not sure what the real taste is supposed to be like. They're sweet. But they yellow as they ripen. And they're kind of like
But they
Do you want to try them or
what's that?
the star fruit?
yeah, I can
We've actually done that before.
Do you want
it's
some
good.
for home?
We'll take some home.
Okay.
We'll take some star fruit
We
home.
had them in Hawaii.
Yep.
You guys live in Hawaii?
No, we've been there a few times, and that's the only place
It's
I like it.
originally his family's
Yep.
heritage.
Yep.
And then I need a pineapple.
So nice, convenient to access fruit stand.
We came down our second day here and
All right.
there was a gentleman here that day and we were like, we tried pineapple, we tried honey bells, we tried the strawberries, and peaches was the other one. But I still have a bunch of peaches. Anything else out here, honey?
No, not here, but we.
There's orange juice inside.
Yeah, and he wants your almond brittle.
Yes. Or no, not almond, pecan.
Pecan.
So they also have an inside store here with all sorts of roadside stuff. Nice, like I said, a nice convenient fruit stand. A little bit more than the fruit stand, but a nice convenient fruit stand. Right off of the Florida Turnpike on US 27. It's like you get off the turnpike, you only have to go down a couple of miles, and here it is. And then they have fresh vegetables in there, squash, zucchinis, green beans. There's some star fruit in that box down there as well. We're taking some star fruit home. Romaine lettuce, cabbage. And more strawberries, lots of strawberries. Apples. There's the pecan. Just get either one. It's pecan brittle
Oh, I didn't see it down there.
right there. Yeah, we were just out driving about a few days ago, and it's like we need to get some honey bell because that's the only citrus, if you want to call it that she can eat. So we were looking for honey bells a few days back, found this place, and then I realized how easy it was to get to from the turnpike. I'm like, well, we're going to start coming here on every time we come through here. Every time we come through here, we'll come by.
It works out with the honey bells because the honey bells are also like our most popular Florida citrus.
Is it really popular?
Yeah.
Well, it's because it's very seasonal though, right? It's only a few months, right?
Well, usually we can never find the honey bell, so
And honey bells is one of our original Florida citrus. So.
the place we found it 2 years ago is gone.
Yeah.
Do you know what it was called?
Ridge Island Grove. It was down by Polk City.
Oh,
Yeah, it's no longer there.
So
So,
here-
then we kind of like.
Here's
we
the
were like,
here's the business. There's the address. There's the phone number. I think we actually met Kevin. He's the one that had the beard.
probably at the time, depending on how long ago you came.
Just a few days ago.
Oh, yeah. So that was Donnie.
Oh, okay.
He works here. He's his Kevin's son-in-law.
Oh, okay. So there's the business. There's the address. There's the phone numbers if you are ever in Central Florida. And there's their QR if you guys ever want to visit their Facebook. They're only on Facebook, right? That's what he mentioned. So if you want to pause the video and scan this QR to check out their Facebook page. But yeah, this is a nice convenient store, farmer's market, fruit stand, whatever you want to call it. We have something similar at home. It's much larger, but it's basically the same setup. Out in the middle of the country, out in the middle of nowhere. That we like going to as well. Called Huber's Winery and Huber's Market. They're in Starlight, Indiana. But there you go. Fresh honey. If you guys need raw honey. There's raw honey. We like our preps. That's honey is a prep, ladies and gentlemen. Pecans, snack packs, more snacks, more honey down there, whole pecans there, jams, preserves. So, yeah, go ahead. How much is it? Oh, okay. But, yeah, I used the card. But yeah, this is a good, they have a wonderful location. Just like I said, just right off the Turnpike. Really easy to get to in or out of Orlando or Central Florida. So if you're coming down the Turnpike, it's like I said, you come off of exit. I can't remember what exit it was, but anyway, you basically put into your GPS Lanier Produce, LANEIR Produce.
Traveling Food Channel. So you
put that
all this
into
stuff
your
on there.
GPS Lanier's Produce. It locks you right in. It gets you down here. So, if you're ever in Florida, Central Florida, check them out. Lanier's Produce, just right off the Florida Turnpike on US 27. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, alligator jerky. Mmm.